Hey guys, this is a tutorial for the FCS Networker account creator tools menu and scraper feature. This will give you a good overview of the features of this software. We also have a user manual that you can find in your FCS Networker folder that you could also look at if you have any questions or whatnot. So to start, let's just go into the tools menu here and check out some of the options. You have your CAPTCHA service. This is where you can add your whatever CAPTCHA service accounts you have. We've got Death by CAPTCHA, deCAPTCHA, Bypass CAPTCHA, and CAPTCHA Sniper. Keep in mind that CAPTCHA Sniper doesn't support reCAPTCHA CAPTCHAs. About 80% of these sites here use reCAPTCHA, so CAPTCHA Sniper is not going to do too much for these particular sites. Just wanted to give you the heads up on that. Now, the second option we'll look at is the option settings menu. Now, when you get your account all set up, you want to add your web account details into here. This is because this is where your software will now tie into the web-based tool. You have options in the software to auto-upload accounts after creation and things like that. So you need to enter your details here and save the settings, and then your software will be integrated with your web account. Now you get your retry attempts during creation. This number will set how many times the bot is going to retry if it's failed. The default is 2, which is usually good. If it doesn't create after 2, you might want to bump it to 3. Sometimes when using CAPTCHA services, they'll fail a few times. So 2 or 3 is usually what I recommend. Delay before auto email verification. This is the delay. If you select this check mark, auto verify emails, after account creation, the bot will go in and auto verify your emails for you, but you want to leave a little delay to make sure all the emails get to that folder. So right now, this is set to 120 seconds, so basically 2 minutes. Anything longer than that is usually not necessary, but 120 seconds is usually the perfect amount. So I would just leave that as is. Then here's where you can enter your proxies. You want to enter it as the IP, port, username, and then password. Just like that. And you could, enter a whole list of them. And then you save your proxies. You could test your proxies. Our proxy tester uses Tumblr as our proxy checker. Most proxy testers use Google. So ours is a little more particular. So you might find that some proxies that work in other programs might come back as failed in this program. Basically, we use Tumblr because Tumblr is pretty strict with proxies. So we figure if it doesn't pass Tumblr, it might not pass a lot of these sites. And these are higher quality sites, much more used sites than a lot of what other programs create. So when you have proxies that might work creating forum accounts all over the web or something like that, they might not necessarily work for these sites because these sites get bombarded with people using proxies all the time. So a lot of them are blocked. So we find that Tumblr is a good gauge of whether your proxies will work well in the software or not. All right. The other tool in here is the scraper. This is just basically a way for you to be able to scrape some articles, some images, some videos that you might want to use in your submissions. Since we have features in the web tool where you could add your own images and own videos to your submissions, this is a good way to just get some of those easily, quickly and easily. And also we offer article dashboard, repost.us, and go articles scraping. So let's say we wanted 10 articles at article dashboard about dog training. Okay, so we will scrape articles. We could also scrape images, and we'll scrape videos. So dog training, image grabber, and we'll scrape one page. This is how many pages of YouTube to scrape for dog training. We're not going to use proxies. And then let's scrape. So now you see the bot has done the scraping. So you have your list of articles that it scraped, your list of images. These images are scraped from Google Images. And then your list of videos that got scraped. Now you could either just, for the images and videos, you could just copy them like this. But here's a cool feature. So the keyword was dog training. So the articles that you downloaded, you can find in your articles folder under the keyword that was searched. So the software will automatically create a new folder for the keyword that you search. And in there you could see all your articles that were scraped. Now you could use these as syndicated content, curated content. It's just an easy, quick way to get some content going. If you want, you could just zip the folder, and our web tool has a bulk article importer. Just put it in a zip file, upload the zip file, and then you'll have all your articles waiting for you in the web tool. Now, the image grabber and the video grabber will also automatically create files. So our keyword was dog training. So you go under images, dog training, and then there'll be a file, and there's all the images. So it's the same as just copying this, but we figured why not save the file already for you guys so you can reference it later. And the same for videos. You'll just have your list of videos under the video folder. So this feature is just like a quick, easy feature to be able to, select your images and videos and get some quick articles. We have our auto video and auto image feature, but some people like to use their own, and in the submission process, we do allow you to just add your own, and then we'll automatically place them in there for you, rather than us going and scraping the images and stuff for you guys. So this just gives you a bit more control, and there's a ton of use for grabbing images, videos, and articles. So there you go with that.